Close your eyes, let me tell you all the reasons why. Think you're one of a kind. Here's to you, the one that always pulls us through. Always do what you gotta do.
Zach has a gift of being able to connect with other people. He can see the goodness and the light in every single person.
You're an angel dressed in armor.
I remember on our very first date, we got our cheeseburgers and french fries. And I remember I was just ready. I was so hungry that I was just ready to just go after and eat because I was so nervous. And I remember Meredith looking at me and pointing at her hands. And she says, "Zach, can I bless this meal?" And I literally remember thinking, oh my gosh, this girl, I'm gonna marry this girl. I just this is her. This is the one.
It's true. When my world was dark and blue, I know the only one who rescued me was you.
I never had any specific moment when I thought that I would for sure marry Zach, but it was just this collection of a ton of times of thinking I could be marrying Zach. He traveled thousands of miles to support my dreams. In 4.5 years, he never questioned my values, and he moved in with my parents and still chose to love me every day. So he was never not the one until the day that I knew he was the one.
When your love pours down on me.
Alright, well, there's been a lot of favorite parts. But I will say my absolute favorite part is to come home knowing that somebody loves you unconditionally. And that has been my absolute favorite part about marriage and about marriage, really.
Close your eyes, let me tell you all the reasons why.
I promise Zach for not just this next year, but especially these next years to forgive freely, love deeply, and continue to chase Christ through all of this.
Cause you're one